What's on? Welcome back. Strange week again this week. Like today, blue skies, absolutely beautiful, and relatively light winds, so I'm going to go out for a sail in a moment. But the rest of the week has been miserable, wet, highish winds, and not really conducive for going out for a sail. But I have had friends down. Been out once or twice, so I've got some video of that to go on for you. Also, there's a slight tanker incident here in the harbour this week, so I've got a bit of footage of them trying to relieve the boat from the hard where it managed to run aground and push another boat in at the same time, so we've got that. Something interesting to have a look at. So I'll let you have a watch, see the sailing that we have been doing, the other bits and bobs that have been going on, the mates that have been down, and I'll catch you back out on the water in a bit. Thank you very much. So now I've finished the binocular stand, I now need to just put a little bit of something across the front, a bracket, a netting of some form, just so that it, whatever I put in that little stand, binoculars or a bottle of water, doesn't sort of fall out or fall over and then roll out. So I got myself a little bit of elastic this morning, got plenty of paracord here, and what I'm going to try and do is make up a little bit of netting that'll just go across the front, that I can sort of pull in and pull out, so that whatever I've got in there will hopefully stay in. So I'll show you as I slowly make it, and we'll see if it works. Fingers crossed, you never know, might do. Pretty much southerly today, so it's one of those silly things. It'll take us an hour to get out there, 5 minutes to get back in. So, Storm Francis has been and gone. Yesterday I emptied the dinghy and the canoe of water. Last night went for a nice swim, lovely and clear evening, absolutely beautiful. And this morning, normal service has resumed. So I think after a cup of tea, probably a bit of a read, maybe do my washing, I think I'll make a crumble as the kids are coming for tea tonight. So thankfully I went a bit blackberry picking yesterday and got some apples as well, so at least I can do that today. Oh yeah. It's a lovely calm morning, but just heard a lot of banging and crashing. Corner of my eye, I can see quite a big ship coming up the outside of the pontoons up towards the lifeboat station. So I'm going to go see what's happened. Ironically, the biggest sign you can see on this boat is the one that says safety first. The binocular holder works, which is good. Pleased with that. Not so pleased with these lobster pods. One very happy person. Again, she's sailing herself and just letting me wander around. Doesn't get any better. Life is good. It's only 8.9 knots of wind, so 2.8, 3 knots of sailing. Not that many boats out here. There's a few, but not too many. I suppose people are beginning to disappear back and do things like work and horrible things like that now. So hopefully you've enjoyed this week's video. Hopefully, I know I say it each week, but hopefully next week I'll get more sailing, although the next 3 or 4 days are not looking that spectacular weather-wise. It's going to be wet and horrible again, but hopefully the weekend and the week after is looking pretty good, so should be some good sailing. So thank you for watching, and see you next time. Thank you. bloody handsome out here it is. Or to use Cornish, splan. Happy place.